Um, I was going to begin putting together like a pre-seed angel round of 150K to build about an 18-month runway to focus on building the platform, but also growing sales and enabling me to focus on sales. I took a step back. Now I'm getting back into it because I've been growing it pretty quickly. It's doing about, like, last month it did 4,000, and this month it's going to do about 10. So revenue's growing, and I think it's in a better state now that it's making money and profiting to raise that money.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, one thing with revenue, so the difference between like 5,000 a month and 10,000 a month isn't much when it comes to what you've proven out about the business, right? Like, you've demonstrated that you can make money and that you've like found a market for it. I think one of the things that, like, I messed this up with my first company. You get caught in like, okay, we got to keep showing growth metrics at the super early stages to then raise early stage funding. Good investors, like, the difference between 5K MRR and 10K MRR isn't much. But it's more about like what you've de-risked about the business.
Okay.
Right. So flag that in my head when you were talking through that is saying that you're raising money to get 18 months runway to work on certain things. Like that is what you're going to end up doing. But from just like a fundraising narrative perspective, it's really important to come up with qualitative milestones for what you're de-risking about the business, right? Because you talked about growing sales, you talked about building the platform, building the product, right? So like saying, hey, we've demonstrated that we can do X, Y, Z, is we need to figure out that we can scale this platform and this managed marketplace in more than one market, like whatever that is. I think that's more important than just like 18 months of runway.